years ago, this journey began with one simple idea. If people come together with compassion and purpose, they can change lives. What started as a small effort to help our community has now become something far bigger than we ever imagined. "100 projects, thousands of lives touched, and countless moments that reminded us what humanity looks like at its best." For our 100th project, we knew we wanted to do something meaningful, something that represented why we started this mission in the first place. So, we chose to build more than just walls and a roof. We chose to build safety, stability, and a place to call home. For this mother and daughter, rainy season was approaching. And with it came uncertainty, stress, and the fear of not having a dry, safe place to live together. No family should have to face that alone. So our team got to work. Every post placed, every board lifted, every hour spent under the sun was driven by one purpose: to give this family a fresh start. Projects like this don't happen because of one person. They happen because a community chooses to care, because people choose to donate, to volunteer, to believe that someone else's struggle matters. And over the last 3 years, that belief has changed lives again and again. But moments like this is why we keep going. At the end of the day, it's not really about the house. It's about a mother knowing her daughter will sleep safely tonight. It's about peace of mind when the rain begins to fall. It's about dignity, hope, and the reminder that they are not alone. This is Project 100. And thanks to all of you. It's only the beginning.